I was driving and realized I ain't changed this oil catch can in a minute. Been like 2 oil changes. Gotta get that done, man. Look at the engine, man. That, don't worry about that. I gotta change that out. Yeah, man, I ain't really got started in here. So, you know, it's kind of basic. It ain't too dirty. It's alright. But show y'all how to change this oil. Get rid of this oil out, man. Alright. This is like my first mod I did back in like 18 when I first got the car. And it was like 130 on eBay at the time. It's probably still like 130. And it's easy to set up. Ain't that hard. I feel like a lot of oil. I can feel it. Oh, shit. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. I ain't changed it out since like 2 oil changes. But I'm gonna put it in this bottle. So hold on. Look at that. It'll be right back in my engine. But this ain't nothing but like the oil blowback. And it go right back in your engine. Make your engine last longer. This oil catch can make your engine last longer. So you got them scats, some Hellcats, even the 5.7s, man. Get you an oil catch can. 130, put it on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all be doing them burnouts and doing 150 on the highway, running from them popos. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that. Alright, we're about to put this back on. And y'all comment, like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Do at least 2 of them. Comment, like, subscribe. You ain't gotta do all 3. Do at least 2 of them. Alright? And you just twist it back on. You're gonna get like some oil kind of on it, you know what I'm saying? So you wanna have a little towel or a rag or something. You know what I'm saying? Wipe it on off. You're good to go. Make sure you get no oil on your engine, on top of your engine and stuff. So we good. Alright. Comment, like, subscribe. Do at least 2 of them. That's all you gotta do. Alright, man, I'm out. Ain't no but a quick little video, man. I'm out.